Girls.
Hey,
Oh, Ed. Hey, I'm sorry about that convention. I can't go this year. Basta I'll email you. Promise. Maybe next year. All right?
Okay, no
Ed,
problem.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks, pare.
Okay.
Excuse me, ladies. Mark?
Rebecca.
Hi.
Hi. So nice to see you.
Are you alone?
Seeing that there are 2 plates, no. I'm with someone.
So you're on a date?
Yes, I'm on a date.
Where is she?
Sa powder room ata eh.
Well, maybe I'll stay for a bit. Gusto ko kasing makilalang maswerteng babaeng yan.
Alright. It's up to you.
Hey, Darky.
Steph?
Halika po ka.
Nahirapan ka ba pumunta dito?
Hindi, mas mabilis nga biyahe kapag gabi. So, how are you?
Okay lang. Okay naman.
I don't believe you. Papupuntahin mo ba ako dito kung okay ka?
Eh, nandito naman si Daddy eh, kaya masaya na rin ako.
Nasaan daddy mo?
Nasa bakahan.
Eh, di ganun din. So, where's your wicked sister and mother? Don't tell me, iniwan ka na naman nila mag-isa.
Eh, sanay naman ako ng ganito eh. Wala naman ang pakalam kung saan sila magpunta eh. Actually, masaya ako na nandito ka. Tara, punta tayo sa room, tayo magkwentuhan.
Sige.
Halika.
So, totoo pala ang sinabi sa akin ni Greg
Tungkol saan?
na may gusto ka ng ibang babae.
Alam mo, pinagdududaan ko na yung Greg na yan, ha? Napaka-chismoso ng lalaking yan. I think that's your friend.
Let's go na. Magbabar pa tayo. They're waiting for us na.
Oh, no, wait. I'm still talking to Mark.
We don't have to waste time here. Let's go. Jewel might go home.
Okay,
Bye.
Hi.
Ciao.
Parang may kausap ka. Sino yun?
Where are you guys na? Alright, I'll see you. Oh, girls, andun na daw sila. Let's go na.
Girls, pwede bang mauna na lang kayo? Sunod na lang ako.
Bakit? What's the problem?
May gusto akong makitang isang girl.
Sinong girl?
Babaeng gusto akong kompetensyahin.
My God, di ba ayaw mo nang kinukompetensya ka? I remember that girl, yung friend mo dati. Nasaan na yun?
Ewan ko. Nagkamali siya ng kakalabanin. Okay, just let me know where you'll be and I'll follow. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'll see you. I just have to find out who this girl is.
Can we go?
Oh, sige.
Alis na tayo?
Iwan ako.